Babe, I love you.
Are you talking to me?
Of course. You think if I don't love you, I will spend my time to come and be talking to you under a sun? Do you know who I am?
Who are you?
I am an officer of the Lord. I'm an officer. I want you to be my girlfriend because I love you.
Me? Be your girlfriend? Do you know who I am? Do you know who my boyfriend is in this community? He's the chairman of this community.
Do you know who you are talking with? I am an officer of the Lord. See, I'm a multi-billionaire. Wait, is it because of this house? This old model house? Old cars? I have money, I have cars. I can take good care of you.
I don't care to know who you are. Do you know who you're calling his house a quacked house? Like, you don't know my boyfriend.
Sorry.
My boyfriend is Shema Gbewa. He can kill anything killable.
Bear waiting. I will bear him inside the prison. Can your boyfriend stand before me and talk? I will lock him up. Do you know who is talking to you? I am an officer of the law.
Officer of the Lord.
Of
I don't
course.
care to know who you are.
See, if you agree to date me, my God, I promise I will take you off you. Let me take care of you. Let us be one because I love you.
Okay, you love me.
Yes.
I love you too. Come here. Mine.
Chill. Walk man on nobody.
Why are you calling mine?
Yeah, of course, you're mine.
I'm your man. What? So I will take good care of you. I will love you with all my heart. I'm an officer of the law. Take it off, bro. Take your child.
Baby, he wants to take your fiancé away from you. He said he's an officer of the law, that you can do anything to him, baby. He said you'll be sure.
What?
He'll lock you up in prison. He said he's the officer of the Lord. That you're nobody.
Make way for chair.
So you'll be sure, baby. You don't fit do anything.
Chair no bra.
Bros.
I do not collect my woman from me.
I dey crazy why I go take your devil. Bros, now because you don't know me. You don't know me, bros.
Chair there.
Let me tell you, I dey crazy. I'm a prophet of the most high God. My name is Prophet Agboboro of Agboboro Gospel Ministry, bros. I on the pass. Now God tell me say I go give you the word of God. He say that your house be this. He say that your house be this. He say this girl like your bishop wife.
Oh, hey,
What? Baby, he's lying, no. He was toasting me. He said I should be his girlfriend.
That's what make I can't tell you. You don't finish, bro. Make I go.
You talk. What chairman right here? Oh no.
It's a joke.
It's a joke.
It's a joke.
What do you get me chair?
It's a joke. It's a joke.
It's a joke.
It's a joke. Oh, it's a joke. You
It's a joke. What you want?
Chair.
Baby, beat him. He's not a liar.
Say chair.
brother.
Which officer is it?
It's a chair. Okay.
What do you get me chair?
I'm a security officer.
Ordinary security.
My people, I thank you now. When I did the rush, Omovicky, come and do skits. Sam, we promise we will do with a better thing. We go to make una happy. We never even start. Now me, be, the feel like nothing.